I got the fixture board all glued in, all set. I got the program all loaded for the fixture. I'm terrified to press the start button because I haven't done anything with the router yet. So I don't know how this is gonna go, but let's just send it anyway. Get ready with the fucking e-stop. Alright. Alright, this is attempt number 2. I re-zeroed it with a piece of paper. Test number 3. Let's see. Alright, so we should be able to actually get something now. I think what the problem was, my WCS origin right there was set to the center of the model when it really needed to be set to the top of the model. So it was too high. So when it came down, now we should actually make contact with the part. So I got that loaded right into Candle. Got my router homed, and let's see. You gotta be fucking kidding me. Alright, test number 5. Alright, so let's see, open up Fusion. So my program, I had my origin to the top left. I think it needed to be the bottom left, so we'll give this another shot. I hope this is it. Ready? Hey, we didn't crash yet. Way closer now. Cover my nose.
She said, sure do.
Alright, let's clean this mess up. I did not expect the MDF to be this messy. I think if I could just get one side to come off, it'd be alright. I hear something tearing. I hope it's the glue. It was indeed the glue. Alright, something's going. Nice. There we go. The board is on. Came right off. Alright. I really do need to make a spill board. see if I can figure out what threads these are. Actually bolt it down. That would be very nice. Alright, I'm going to try to sand this. I got a file here. I wonder if this is too rough. Oh yeah. That's clean. And then I got a softer one if I really want. I can get that out of there. Let me go ahead and just file all these down quick. Alright, get the other file. There we go. There is the finished product. Pretty clean lines. Pretty clean indeed. Just super dirty. Holy crap. Like, look at all this. Thankfully I put the bag up. But there's just dust everywhere. All over the floor. Everywhere. All over me. But that's the finished product. It's really cool. Fits on there perfectly. I got my little X's so I know when I made this, it's pretty eyeballed, but as long as I got this face here flat with the bed here and parallel here, should be good. I'll just probably tape it down, probably use less than I did that time for when I do the engraving. Then I should be able to just plop cards in here, which now I actually got to make the cards. So hopefully this fixture is right, because I don't know what came first, the fixture or the egg. But I have a feeling I'm going to find out. So thank you guys for watching. Peace. About to nerd out here real quick. I actually found some magic cards. I just thought of this. The cards I plan on making are going to be, I'm out of breath, I'm so excited. This is crazy. Okay, so if these fit, in theory, the wood blanks I make should fit. Here we go. Oh, dude. Like a glove. There's a little bit of slop there, but that's okay. Oh, dude. This is sick. Holy shit. And I just so happen, I'm out of cards. I grabbed 8 just by eyeball, and I grabbed them quick. Lady Luck is on my side. Holy shit. All right, look at this. Oh, that's going to make a nice screenshot. Look at that. Fucking perfect. Honestly, this would be a pretty cool display board. If I can get some plexiglass on that, that might be pretty cool too. Oh, well, there goes that card. All right. Thanks for watching. Peace.